Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this do today. I know this video is super duper late, but I'm going to be dropping this video tonight. I know it's late, so hopefully you guys are up and hopefully you guys get to see this and watch me style this up. Guys, let me tell you guys, I had this wig for about a year and I dug this out of my wig drawer and I'm restyling this wig for you guys just so that you guys can see how I cut my hair. I just wanted to dig an old ass wig up and, you know, rearrange it. I had it in a bob and I don't know how I did this bob. It was like a year ago though. So guys, just be patient with me. I'm not trying to scare you guys when I put this damn wig on. So geez, don't be scared, okay? I'm gonna be just doing some videos for you guys because I've been MIA and I want to make it up to you guys. So guys, let me tell you guys, yes, so I told you guys I had this wig for a year, and when I tell you guys this hair is still good, like I'm flattering this hair, and guys, this is a hair on a budget, so don't panic. It's a hair on a budget, and I know most of you guys love the hair on a budget hairstyles that I do. It's really soft. Bundles are super duper thick, so if you guys are looking for a super duper thick little hairstyle or something like that, I can honestly say this is something for you. This, I think this was like $19.99. cheap. So if you guys are looking forward to a cheap hair on a budget wig, I got a video on this hair, like, and I kept this because I knew that this was going to be some good hair that I could keep, and I just put it in my wig box. So it's cute to me and it's rocking it today, and I'm gonna rock it again when I put it up. So you guys know, if I'm throwing out a video, I know that I'm gonna keep my wigs. Like, I keep all my wigs. One of my subscribers, I'm gonna give away a special one of my wigs, so make sure you guys are staying tuned and looking forward to that giveaway, because I'm gonna be giving away a wig that I cut. I know I'm talking low because baby in there asleep, so shh, keep it on the hush. But let's get into this video because, you know, I'm just talking and it's 4 minutes in, so I'll see you guys in the next video. How about I'll link it right here or right here. Yeah, I'll link the video right here, and I'll see you guys back in another video. Bye. This is the comb I'm going to be using. So let me go ahead and rearrange this wig for you guys. I just want to get it to, like, you know, it's tapered in the back, and then this part like long, you know, and I guess this part, I mean, I can leave it like this, but I want it like chopped down just a little bit, you know, so I want to just, you know, chop some of this here. Out. Yeah, it looks better like that anyway. I think I had too much in my hair. this video. Comment down below, what do you guys think about this hair? I absolutely like this hair. I just wanted it like tapered in the front, full bangs, and then tapered in the back. I was gonna flat iron it with my flat irons. That would look super nice. So in the morning I don't have to, you know, style it up or anything because it's already cut how I wanted it. So all I gotta do is just get up and go. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a choppy type of short hairstyle, this is for you. All you gotta do is just cut it in the style that you want. And yeah, this is the look that I'm going for, especially if I'm just, you know, running errands or, you know, on $1 million run. And yeah, this is something that I'm gonna work with. Yeah, so yeah, if you guys like it, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Bye.